All right, and for this one, I'm going to do it just with drawings instead of the Cuisenaire rods, so you can see how to do it that way. So we have 320 and 4 little ones, and we want to make a rectangle with 18 on one side. So I don't have 8 tens here, so I can't use those, but I see that I can use 100 and then 80 out of here. So I can go 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so I have used up that 100, and I've used up 8 of those, so I have 2 of them left. And I cannot do that again. I have 100, but I don't have another 80, so I can't go across another 10. So I've made a rectangle with 18 on one side, and on the other side is 10. So I've gone across 10. I'm going to put a 1 in the 10's place. Now, how much have I taken away from my 324 that I started out with down here? Well, I've taken away 18 times 10, or here 18 times 10, which is 180. So minus 180. And what do I have left? You can subtract the traditional way, but you kind of make a mess in there, crossing off things and all that. Or you could look down here and see 100, 20 and 20, and 4. So 144 is what I have left. And then I want to make another rectangle with 18 on one side. And I don't know what's going to be on the other side. So first thing I'm going to need to do is make this 100 into 10 tens. Cross that off. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tens there. So here's where I start kind of using my guessing and estimating and problem solving skills. I'm just going to kind of guess how many tens to put here. 4, 5, let's try 6, okay? So if I use up these 2 and these 4, okay? I've used up 6 tens. And to fill in the rest of this rectangle, I would need 8 times 6, which would be 48. Do I have 48 left? No, I don't. I have 50, 60, 70, 84 left. So that's not going to work. So let's try adding another one of these tens. I'll add that 10. So now I have 7 here and 8 here. So to fill in the rest of this, 7 times 8 is 56. So do I have 56 left? I have 50, 60, 74. No, that's not going to work. So let's try another little 10 here. So now I've gone 8 across here and 8 up here. 8 times 8 is 64. So I would need 64 to fill in this space. Do I have 64? 40 and 20 is 60, and 4 more. I do have 64, so that is going to work. So I've used up 8 tens. Now I have 64 left, and so I'm not going to draw 64 little dots. The easiest thing to do here is to label this 64 like that, and if you want, you can label that 100, although it's not a very good drawing because my 64 looks bigger than my 100. But anyways, so 64 here. So I've used up all of my 64 right there. And how much have I gone across? I've gone across 8. And if you want, you can even count down here, but you should remember we went across 8 tens. So that was some problem solving work, and that's probably the hardest part of long division. Even when doing it over here, you're guessing, well, normally the way they teach it, how many times does 18 go into 32 first? And then how many times does 18 go into 144? You got to kind of just guess it out and see if it works. So here, we're guessing, but we're actually understanding more clearly with our drawings. So anyways, I've now gone across 8. I can write it in 8. And so how much did I take away? I had 144, and I took away 18 times 8, and that is 144. And what do I have left down here? A big old nothing. I've crossed it all out. And so I've made a rectangle with 18 on this side, and on the other side I found out it is 18, so another square there.